You get 3 years or a total of 30,000 miles of oil changes and tire rotations. Is that about it?
How many oil changes is that?
Four.
What are oil changes? $50?
This is a synthetic blend oil change. It's not your conventional $19.99. It's like a $69.99 value, sir.
Well, I heard 35, I heard 69. What is it?
I believe it's 69 here at our dealership. A synthetic blend oil change.
Is that what I'm going to get for nothing? That's the complimentary oil change I'm going to get?
4 of those, sir.
So that's 70, so that's $280 worth of oil changes. Quantify it. That's $280 staying in your pocket because it's coming out of ours. Are they free?
No.
No, they're not free. We're paying for them. Why are we paying for them?
Coming back. We want you coming back. Using our service.
Because we're a Motor Trend certified dealer.
No.
You can hold it anywhere
Are
else.
we charitable?
Closing.
No.
No.
We're not charitable. We got a great service department. You don't know that. We're willing to bribe you to show you how great our service department is. We'll pick up the first 280, and we believe that if you give us that opportunity, you'll keep using our service department. That's why we do it. That happens to be the truth.